So the next collection we're going to talk about is a set. A set is a generic unordered collection of elements, and it does not support duplicate elements. So let's start off by creating a set that holds the days of the week. So let's make this a file. Let's call this, I should just call this days of the week. And we're going to make this equal to set of. This is what you use to create a set. Just like list of to create a list, just like array of to create an array, use set of to create a set. And you open up the parentheses and we can start writing in the days of the week. So we'll put Monday, Tuesday, and let's write in Wednesday. Now we're going to create another set, and this is going to be for the weekend. So we'll create one called weekend, make that equal to a set of, but I want to specify the specific type in this case. So I want this to be a string because we know we're going to be holding in strings. So this one doesn't specify the type, but we let Kotlin infer that this set is going to be, a string because we have strings within this set, and we're going to make Kotlin, or we're going to specify a string to let Kotlin know that it's going to be holding just strings. So let's make this, I like to consider Friday as the weekend and Saturday and Sunday, and we are good to go. Now it preserves the iteration order of what we place into this set. So if we print out what we have right now, days of the week, and let's print out, oops, missed the whole entryway. All right, let's call this weekend and let's run this. Boom. So same order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, cool. Now the cool thing about a set is no matter what the order is, let me copy this. We're gonna make this the same thing, but we're just gonna call this days of the week 2, and we're gonna check, does this equal this if I even change, whoops, I change the order, is this the same thing? So let me just do that, put Monday in the middle. Actually, I need that. So if I make days of the week equal to days of the week 2, is this the same thing? Let's run that. It's true. Even if the order is, out of order, a set is an unordered collection, so they still contain the same values within, so they should be the same regardless. All right, so to create immutable sets in Kotlin, we'll use the mutable set of function. So we'll make an example that uses the months within the year to see this in action. So let's make this equal to the mutable set of, and open up the parentheses, and we're going to place March. Whoops, we have to get out of double quotes. April, and then May. Now we can take this variable, which is months, and we can use the dot add if we want to. We can start adding in stuff within this set. So we're gonna use June. We're gonna add June, and we're going to add July. But let's see, what if we try to add July twice? What if we made a mistake? In this case, it's not a mistake, But let's just hypothetically think that this is a mistake and try to add July twice, and we try to print this out. What does a set do with this? We talked about this a little bit in the beginning, but does sets allow this? No, it does not. It just completely ignores the duplicate elements. It only sees this one, but once the set sees, oh, we're trying to add another element that we already have within this collection, that's not good. So we'll just ignore that. So that's what a set does. It doesn't allow for duplicates. And just like with the list, we can also use months dot remove, and we can place the string, which is July. And if we run this, it removes July. So it only sees that single instance of July, even though it was added twice. This one was never, the second one was never added, and we just removed the first instance of it. And just like the example above, we could specify a type. So in this case, I'm gonna put holiday months. And obviously I'm not gonna put all the holiday months because I don't know all of them. But I'm just gonna put, November and December, because that's usually a big holiday season type thing. So I'm gonna specify this as a string, and I'm gonna put November and December. I think I spelled that right. Probably did, probably didn't. And we can add to this, so another holiday. What's another holiday month? I guess there's 4th of July for Americans, so we'll just put July. And then let's print this out. And if you run this, it works just as expected. November, December, July. And then we could even do remove at, just like we did before with the list. If we know the specific index, we can just remove the last element. In this case, I don't know the last element, so I'm just gonna put holiday months, and I'm just gonna take the size, and then I'm just gonna subtract 1, just so I'm sure that I'm taking the last element. And if I run that again, it should just say that, oh, it's saying that I removed July. And so if I run this again with just holiday months, it should just be November and December. Boom. So yeah, if you want an unordered collection, you don't want duplicates, sets are perfect. No matter if you are trying to, if you use 2 sets, no matter what order they're in, if you make them equal to each other, if they have the same elements within it, they're still the same set, because a set is unordered.